Hey guys, I am Chef Joya. I am a vegan chef based out of Charlotte, North Carolina, and I specialize in creating soulful and African and Caribbean vegan cuisine. How I got involved in vegan cooking is because I decided to make the transition again back in 2018. I grew up vegan and I kept seeing people say that vegan food was nasty, bland, and I wanted to show them differently. And so I taught them how to cook meals for free for 30 days and I decided to stick with it. What made me create my own seasonings? I created my own seasonings because I use a lot of seasonings. And whenever I would cook live or teach people how to cook, I noticed I would have at least 20 different seasonings on the counter and people would ask, Chef, what's this, what's that? And I'm like, you know what, let me put this all in a bottle so you know if you're gonna make something that's poultry inspired or beef inspired or just an all-purpose or even Cajun inspired that you'll already have a season. You could just give it a couple shakes and you have everything that you need. And your food won't be bald-headed. Who is my favorite celebrity I've worked for? It's really hard to say who's your favorite because they're all so different, but one thing that they do all have in common is that they have really good energy. I always pride myself, I never ran into a bad celebrity. I never worked with a bad celebrity, and I feel like energy matches energy. I don't know, I really can't have a favorite. They all have like the same type of spirit. That's my honest answer.
You had her food before? You know, several times, but this is your first time, right? I guarantee you, it will not be the last. Okay.